The world's greatest investors aren't the ones who were only able to make a fortune out of investing, but who have also helped millions of people do the same. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the greatest investors of all time, so stick around to find out more. 10. John C. Bogle. Starting off our list, we have John C. Bogle at number 10. Founder of the mutual fund company the Vanguard Group, Bogle was one of the most respected and prolific investors in the world. He created the first index mutual fund, which has now become one of the largest investment funds in the world in 1976. Bogle's astronomical success was attributed to his simple investing style. 9. Peter Lynch. Known as one of the greatest investors of all time, we have Peter Lynch at number 9. Born in 1944, Lynch's interest in the stock market and investments began at the young age of 11. His first experience in investing happened when he was just a sophomore in college, when Lynch bought shares of the Flying Tiger Airlines at $8 per share. It was thanks to those shares, which he sold at $80 each, that he was able to pay for his education. While working at the Magellan Fund, Lynch had an average of 29.9% annual return. 8. Carl Icahn. Moving on to number 8, we have American businessman Carl Icahn. With a staggering net worth of $14.3 billion, Carl Icahn has been dubbed as one of Wall Street's most successful investors. Founder of Icahn Enterprises, Icahn had a reputation of being a corporate raider. In addition to Icahn Enterprises, he also runs an investment fund with his personal wealth. 7. Bill H. Gross. Up next at number 7, we have Bill H. Gross. Nicknamed as the King of Bonds, Gross is the founder of Pacific Investment Management Company that has one of the largest mutual funds in the world. Gross's strategy is focusing on the total portfolio as well as buying individual bonds. With a net worth of $1.5 billion, Gross announced his retirement in 2019 and has stated that he shifted his focus on managing his personal assets in charity organization. 6. John Neff. American investor and mutual fund manager John B. Neff is at number 6 on the list. Neff was known for buying stocks of low-profile companies that he saw potential in. He managed the Vanguard Windsor Fund for over 31 years, where he had an incredible annual return of 5.546% during his years as the manager. 5. Jesse Livermore. At number 5, we have the legendary Jesse Livermore. Despite having no high school degree or formal education, Livermore was a self-made man who used his own strategies and money to make his fortune. When he was 16 years old, he made more than $1,000 by trading, which, during the late 1800s, was considered big money. Livermore reached the peak of his career at the age of 52 when he netted $100 million, and he was given the nickname Great Bear of Wall Street as a result. 4. Philip Fisher. At number 4, we have Philip Arthur Fisher. Born in 1907, Fisher was a stock investor who has his name etched in history for having influenced one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Although Fisher founded Fisher & Company in 1931, he wasn't well known to the public until his release of his first book, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, in 1958. 3. John Templeton. Coming up at number 3, we have American-born British investor John Templeton. Templeton was a legendary mutual fund manager who has created some of the most successful investments in the world. He stated that he was able to reach this level of success by staying disciplined and avoiding anxiety, which is why he decided to stay away from Wall Street and manage everything from the Bahamas. 2. Benjamin Graham. Up next at number 2, we have Benjamin Graham. Nicknamed the father of value investing, Graham is well known for being a mentor to Warren Buffett. The strategy which he used to make a lot of money, while, at the same time, avoid taking huge risks that would result in failures, boiled down to using financial analysis. 1. Warren Buffett. With a net worth of $78.9 billion, we have Warren Buffett at number 1. Known as one of the most successful investors in the world, Buffett was able to make his fortune by buying companies at a low price and making improvements that would benefit him in the long run. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Before you leave, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.